So you have a VRM file or a link to the VRM. In this video, we will learn how to make the most of your VRM, which stands for Virtual Reality Model, by the way. Whether you've purchased the rights to a VRM or you have one from a free program, we'll cover everything you need to know. Today we're going to be using 3Teen for creating VTuber content, Avatavi, this one, AR VRM puppeteering, and Blender for animation and shape key manipulation. Let's get it. Getting started with 3Teen, VTuber software. Turning 3Teen to English. You're gonna need to do this because it's gonna show up kawaii as shit whenever you log in. Open 3Teen, access the settings, this little cogwheel on the top right. Your top right button, you just click that right there, boom. Boom, English. Alright, here's how you upload your character within 3Teen. Go to the character or avatar section, click upload or import, and locate your VRM file. On your computer, once imported, your character should appear in the software. Making your character move and adding effects. Explore the animation and effect options in 3Teen. You can add effects to enhance your VTuber content and make it more engaging. You can also add an auto emote. So every few seconds, it'll do auto animation. Familiarize yourself with essential hotkeys for faster and smoother workflow. One downfall with 3Teen is you have to be clicked into the software to control the VTuber. And there you got 3Teen, boom. Avatavi, controlling your VRM like a Snapchat filter. Install Avatavi on your I don't know how you say that. I'm sorry. Don't yell at me. Install Avatavi on your phone. It's on the App Store. It looks like this. Install Avatavi on your phone. Then use the VRM link given to you by your boss, your manager. Hit up your manager for these links. Just kidding, it's the VRM link. Here's some footage of what you can do with your avatar in Avatavi. Last but not least, Blender. Animating and manipulating your VRM. Preparing your VRM in Blender. Open Blender and import your VRM file using Rococo and Mixamo for animations. Integrate Rococo motion capture data or Mixamo pre-made animations with your VRM. Apply animations to your VRM model for lifelike movements. Alright, congratulations. You have learned how to utilize your VRM in multiple ways, from VTubing, 3Teen, AR, VRM, puppeteering, with Avatavi, I don't know how to say that, please help me, and animating in Blender. Feel free to explore and experiment to create captivating and entertaining content with your VRM. Happy VTubing and animating. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.